I needed to add a Deutsch connector to my wiring harness, so I'll quickly show you how I do it. I've cut off the old connector and now I'm stripping back the wires so I can crimp on the Deutsch connector pins. Here I'm checking the depth of the stripped wire. There's a little hole in the side where you can check to see the stripped wire has gone all the way into the pin. And I want just a little bit of plain wire visible before the installation starts. To crimp these solid pins, I'm using a DTM size 20 crimper. It squeezes in on all four sides at the same time. This tool is adjustable, so I've rotated the knob on the back so when I drop the pin into the hole, the pin sits flush against this face. And now I give it a good squeeze. And repeat for the other wires. I've checked my wiring diagram and slide each pin into the connector. You should hear each pin click into place. And then I installed the locking wedge. And after I've checked it all works, I'll warm up this heat shrink tube to finish it off neatly. I hope this video helps you out. Check out my channel and subscribe for more.